You want to be successful with your studies. Otherwise, you won't be watching and listening to this. I've got good news for you today. You can do it because you've got a fantastic brain, and therefore there's nothing in your way to success in your studies. First of all, it's very important that your attitude should be positive. You must approach your studies with an absolute open mind and a positive attitude, because you want to be the best you that you possibly can be. Now, we're talking about a study method, and the most well-known study method and a very successful one is the SQR3 study method. Now, the first letter, this S, stands for scan. To start your study method, you must first know what the work is about. In other words, you must scan it. How do you do that? It's very easy and very simple. You just skip and scan all the headings, all the subheadings, all cursive printed words, or bold printed words, maybe underlined words. You read the first sentence in a paragraph, the last sentence in a paragraph, and there you've got a broad idea of what you are about to study. Now, you can do this in a very easy way, without any effort from your side. You are a scholar. You are a learner in a school. And you attend classes regularly. So, why not let the teacher do this first step for you? And that can be done in class. This scanning of your work is actually done by the teacher in class. Now, for you to listen to that and to hear what the teacher is telling you, you must listen actively. Now, listening is a skill which all of us can, I want to say, conquer, because it's not always easy. It can seem as if you are listening. You are looking at the teacher. You aren't busy with anything else. But in the meantime, you are just staring and not listening. Listening is an active process. Now, how do you listen actively in class? Easy. Make yourself ready for what's coming towards you. In other words, be prepared for the learning area which you are going to have in class. So when you approach the class, you already know that it might be geography, it might be social sciences, it might be natural sciences. So when you enter the class, take your place, take out the relevant textbook, take a pen or a pencil, and very important, you must have an exam pad or an exercise book in which you can take notes. This is very important. Now, when you have all that ready on your desk, then you are ready for active listening. Now, the moment the teacher starts talking, he or she is going to scan the work for you. The teacher will tell you what the heading of today's subject will be. That's already part of scanning. Then subheadings, and then the teacher will start with the actual teaching. Now, therefore, you need to watch your teacher intently. Body language and facial expression says much more than only words. So listen to the words and watch your teacher. Now, whilst the teacher are talking in class and teaching this learning area, you must now identify the important facts that the teacher stresses by using words body language and facial expression. Now those are the most valuable keywords. Keywords that explain the whole meaning of one sentence, or it might even be one paragraph. And those are the words that you will jot down in your own unique way. Now remember, the teacher will speak faster than you can write, but that's no problem. If you miss something, just continue. You will get a chance to fill that in later. If you do that in class, well, you're almost halfway there. That's step number 1 in your study method. And it doesn't take extra time. You must be in class. So why not do all of this? Now, very important, every day, after every school day, when you come home, you must now check whether you have your notes complete in your exam plan. For that, you take your textbook and you check your work in the textbook and see which facts and which keywords you missed in class because the teacher was talking too fast. And then you fill it in your own unique way. Later on, we'll teach you some summarizing techniques. One is the column method, the other, the mind map. Now, in your own unique way, you compile your summary and you finalize your summary at home. When a test approaches or the exam comes up, then you have all your work summarized. Then 10 or 20 pages won't scare you because you have it summarized in 4 or 5 pages. Once again, you have a choice, and work on your attitude. Good luck.